Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about hair care, especially hair loss. बहुत सारे लोगों को hair loss होता है. I also go through that cycle a lot. Then there are certain tips and tricks जो मैंने try करी हैं which have worked for me. So I thought I should definitely share with you. There are like top 5 tips that have worked amazing. Number 1, when you talk about scalp massages, I've shared that with you many times. They work like magic. Best thing that you can do for hair growth. But the thing is, don't just do random massages, but do something with acupressure where you are trying to make pressure points. जैसे यहाँ पे हमारा एक pressure point होता है, so you make sure you are massaging here, then you take 4 fingers, then you massage this point, then this point, and here also. So these are the certain points where you massage and then you continue doing that for 5 to 10 minutes, then you get the results. और बहुत सारे लोगों का मैसेज आता है, we do massages but nothing is working for us. So I all keep on asking, how much did you do? Like, you have to do at least 5 to 10 minutes every day, non-stop. You have to be consistent, and then only you will see the results. Number 2, if you are having severe hair fall, it's really important that you have to use the products which specifically cater to that particular problem. So I love using the shampoos, especially the ones which focus on scalp health, because अगर हम scalp की बात करें, if that's not healthy, you're gonna definitely lose a lot of hair. So for that, I love using this one from the brand Dermaco. The Dermaco's Peptide Stem Cell Hair Fall Control Shampoo is India's one of the first advanced active hair fall shampoo. Copper peptides in this protect scalp from damage. With that, the stem cells in this help in rejuvenating the hair follicle, and it has been clinically proven that it delivers 94% stronger hair in just 3 washes, and it also reduces 87% lesser hair fall in just 3 weeks. That's amazing, right? It's safe and effective, and it has been designed by dermatologists. Dermaco has empowered 20,000 plus students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. So every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educate with the Bhumi Foundation. Use my coupon code RACHNA2025 to get discount on Dermaco website and app, and they're also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purplle. Tip number 3 is your circadian rhythm set. So आपने देखा होगा that earlier जो हमारे ancestors थे, they used to get up on a certain time, they used to sleep at a certain time, especially focusing mainly on how the sun is rising, how the sun is setting. Body starts releasing those hormones, which is really important for keeping your body healthy. And when we talk about scalp health, it's directly connected to your sleep cycle, your overall your circadian rhythm, because if that is screwed up, you will definitely see a lot of hair loss. So what I would recommend is get up on time in the morning, get up around 6-7 a.m. Make sure that you are taking in sunlight and that you're sitting in the sunlight in the morning to make your body understand that it's morning already. And then in the evening time, make sure that you set a certain routine to sleep on time, because that is also really important. Sleep, if disturbed, can cause hormonal imbalances, and that can in fact cause hair loss. So that's like kind of directly connected to your hair and skin health. Next tip is protein, which is really important because your hair is made up of protein. So if you are lacking in that, definitely your hair will become weaker and it will start shedding off more than it should be. Really, I recommend a load of protein that you should be taking, especially in the breakfast. Make sure you're taking good protein, and then you're taking around 50 grams of protein in every diet. You could be eating chicken, eggs, paneer. This one was really surprising for me to know also, that pumpkin seed has this rare amino acid which is great for your hair health. So if you're having a lot of hair loss, start eating pumpkin seeds. Now then, you can be also eating 2 to 3 Brazil nuts, because Brazil nut has selenium. If you are deficient in selenium, then no matter how much protein you eat, it won't be utilized by your body. So if you want your body to utilize the protein, you have to eat selenium rich food also. So Brazilian nut is full of selenium, great for hair health. Now tip number 5 would be something like your whole routine would be incomplete without this one. So if you talk about vitamin deficiency, that is also one big reason. I have seen for myself that whenever I used to have hair loss, I did the blood test and got to know that I am iron deficient. So if you are someone who has iron deficiency, then definitely your skin will suffer, your hair health will suffer, you will have a lot of hair fall. So do get yourself checked for iron, vitamin B12 and vitamin D. All of this together can lead to hair loss, deficiency of these vitamins. So these were my top 5 practical tips, and then with that And with that, bonus tip is that stop using these plastic combs, invest in good neem combs, which will help in stimulating the scalp healthier way. Then you could be staying away from heat and heat styling, and try giving your hair a little bit of break. Invest in nice protein hair masks to make them healthier and all of these. So I hope you like the video. I hope you like the tips. Do let me know which tip did you like the best, or what else are you doing for your hair health. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.